Hi, my name is Yulia Fiatika. I'm currently studying at Islamic State University Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung, majoring in constitutional law with student ID number 120303129. Now, I will tell you about before and after COVID-19. In 2019 to 2020, this was my last moment in senior high school, which at that time was busy with various activity, but academic and non-academic. Non-academic activities that are being actively carried out are extracurricular activity and custom party activity. One of the extracurricular activity that I participate in is Taekwondo martial arts. At the beginning of senior high school, I was really interested in martial arts and finally I decided to follow it. Twice a week, I would practice Taekwondo at school and on one occasion, I tried to enter the championship for the first time. Anxiety and fear mixed in my brain, and the feeling of wanting to cancel the championship had crossed my mind. However, my coach always convinced me to keep going against that fear. And finally, I was determined to do that. I have passed the first match and the silver medal is already in my hands. Next, I will win the gold medals. However, while waiting for my turn, I feel mentally down and reluctant to continue. But I keep trying until I finally lose focus and up kicking my head by the opponent. In addition to extracurricular activity, there is also a custom party where students from each class wear costumes for various cultures, both local and foreign. Some of the customs that have been worn come from Japan, Korea, Saudi Arabia, and Indonesia itself, especially Betawi culture. Apart from activity, academic activities are no less activity. High school students are very diligent in discussing, preparing question for final exam and university entrance preparations. In my class, there are several types of goals from my friend. Some focus on getting into well-known university, some focus on entering official dom such as STAN, IPDN, and others, and some focus on joining the TNI. With so many different goals, we are but busy learning to prepare for it all. Some of us even share knowledge or exchange knowledge about how to quickly answer the question. At this time, there has been news about COVID in Wuhan, but there have been no cases in Indonesia, so we are all still normal. During one week of school exams, news was heard that the first cases of COVID-19 was found at a club in Kemang area. Area is close to my school. Not long after the news spread, my homeroom teacher told me the news that the principal had given the student a 2-week leave of absence. With this, the principal decided to abolish the school exam, and the value we get is poorly from the result of our daily learning through report cards. The situation is getting worse day by day. Residents are asked to wear masks, hand sanitizer, and wash their hands. Keep their distance so that the COVID virus does not spread more widely. At the supermarket near my house, there was panic buying, where food and medicine were sold out and there were no left over. My parents panicked when they heard the severity of COVID. My sister and I are given herbal drinks every day and maintain clean lives to keep our immune system stable. In addition, my brother and I are not allowed to leave the house unless there is something important. It keeps me at home. After a few days at home, I start to feel bored because every day I only spend practicing questions. At the time, my enthusiasm to continue pursuing bad service was still very high. Because of that boredom, I finally tried to practice my cooking skill, which I have done in a long time. From cooking human dishes to making snack and what I do. In 2021, my family, especially my mother and sister, ended up being infected with the COVID-19 virus. And fortunately, the symptoms were not severe, so there was no need to be treated in a hospital or athlete house. Mothers and sisters only need to self-isolate for 14 days. Meanwhile, my father and I only self-isolate for a week after being tested negative for COVID. This reason why my father and I didn't get infected it because we have strong immunity. It's because we are diligent in taking vitamins, maintaining cleanliness, and always wearing masks. From studying at home for 2 weeks, it ended up being 2 years until 2022. However, the President of Republic Indonesia, Mr. Joko Widodo, informed that now is a transition period from a pandemic to an endemic, where we are allowed to remove masks in an open environment. But to this day, I still use masks everywhere because I feel comfortable when wearing masks. Currently, I am adapting back to the situation where for the past 2 years I have worn a mask. Now it is permissible not to.